Good morning, judges, and my dear viewers and listeners. I am Shantanu Shekhar participating in Screen Master Short versus Short competition, video making competition, and the topic of my content of this video making is interdisciplinary application of mathematics. Okay, so before starting that, I wanna give a short intro. Uh, Basically, this doesn't need any intro. This topic, it's like much obvious within you. Okay, you if you are studying UG, okay, then you must have like gone through that. Okay, like you will be able to see different uses of mathematics in different fields. Anyways, uh, basically there are various disciplines which finds use of mathematics. Okay, uh, in some disciplines it is like mathematics is quite important, while in some there are traces. Okay, depends upon the need and the circumstances. Okay. So basically it is also a universal fact that the diversification of mathematics was first of all connected with external social phenomenon, the rapid growth of the scientific community and the breaking discoveries in physics. So this is the fact that whenever there will be use of some theory, proving some old statements, new mathematical theories will come. Even this is also true ki if there is some theory, it can be changed, or like some new theory will be coming to prove it better, or like solve it or calculate it better in a better way. Basically, um, I guess the most important or major use of mathematics is in physics, and I don't see physics trending anywhere without mathematics. Okay. huh uh, it's there are many other fields which contain this use of mathematics, and today we'll be discussing on that only. Okay, so we discussed the intro. Now coming to the application areas, we will be discussing this in this whole video. So right now we should go on the another slide. So, as said earlier, there are various disciplines which make vital use of mathematics, while some are which make rare use. But basically, with the passage of time, every discipline, more or less every discipline, is finding the mathematics as the most important resource for the calculation, analysis, etc. Okay, there are many mathematical tools which are used in like very different disciplines, and this is the reason why that disciplines that were like hardly having some use of mathematics in their curriculum are now like demanding substantial doses of knowledge and of the skills of mathematics. They are like demanding the tools of mathematics for their subjectual uh, analysis and other things related to studies. Okay. Again, there are also some advancement made in developed countries, they use they had made students of different disciplines to work together and like research. Okay, and this is all because they aim to prepare their graduates for the new approaches and practices in their fields and careers. Okay. So this is basically the same. As said earlier, mathematics is like at a good stake in different disciplines. Yeah. So a famous Jain mathematician Acharya Mahavira wrote that Bahuvirvi pralpay kim trilokye sakara kare yat kimide vastu tatsarv ganita bina nahi, which basically this verse means कि what is good of saying much in vain, whether whatever there is in all three words, worlds are possessed of moving and non-moving beings. All the indeed cannot exist as apart from the mathematics. Okay, so this is all what our legend said. Now coming back to the uses, to the applications. Okay, so our first application of mathematics is mathematics in material sciences. So in material sciences, basically, what is like material science? It is basically concerned with the synthesis and manufacture of new materials, like and the modification of materials, the understanding and prediction of material properties, and the evolution and control of these properties over a time period. Okay, and here mathematical models are like emerging, quite reliable in the synthesis and manufacture of polymers. Okay, some of these models are based on statistics or statistical mechanics, and others are based on the diffusion equation in finite or infinite dimensional spaces. And basically, what is the important thing to be said about mathematics now, कि they like enhance their uses in different fields. Like if the field demands more complicated analysis, they will come up with new theory to solve or calculate or to analyze the whole thing in a very efficient manner. Okay, so this is the one of the best thing I like of mathematics. So another example is the study of composites. So basically composites, motor companies are should be caring for that, uh, are working with the composites of aluminum and silicon carbon grains, which provide lightweight alternative to steel. Oh, so they're use this as a lightweight alternative to steel, and fluid with magnetic particles or electrically charged particles will enhance the effects of brake fluid and shock absorbers in the car. Over the last decade, mathematicians have developed new tools in mathematical analysis and numerical analysis by which they have been able to estimate or compute the effective property of composites. Okay, so basically they are using mathematics in analyzing the properties of composites, and they use they use it in the production of composites in an efficient manner, a production of a much efficient composite. Okay, also it is interesting that the number of composites, the types of composites are increasing day by day, and is basically increasing the need of mathematics in this field. Okay, the inputs are needed by the mathematics for the study of the behavior of composites, and their reliability and other factors which will be determined by the motor companies, to which will be cost efficient, which will be more pressure resistant, and many other things are in the way. So now coming back to mathematics in biology. So in class 10th and 12th, in basically in class 12th, you must have heard ki mathematics and biology are being separated basically. Okay, many students say that it is very difficult to study mathematics and biology at same time, but many go for the same time, but they undergo some special kind of efforts to clear both. Okay, so it's not to be discussed here. Now coming back to our topic, ki a simple mathematical model of the renal process shed some light on the formation of urine, and on discussion made by the kidney on whether, for example, to excrete a large volume of diluted urine or a small volume of concentrated urine. Okay, so it's all about use in biology. So for understanding term, you must be hearing in these times of pandemic, you must be hearing ki third wave will come. Okay, so second wave will come. So this way, so who are those who are like predicting? It's not horoscope, it's all about the mathematical analysis. All It is all mathematics calculation inside there, mathematics model is inside there, which help us predict, okay, emerging and re-emerging infection diseases, okay. And there are many others like growth processes in general and embryology in particular, cell ecological issues such as global phenomena in vegetation and modeling. Basically, the ultimate thing or summary of this application is like mathematical models are very useful in biology, okay, overall. So again, mathematics in digital technology, the future of the world wide web, okay, you should know, will depend on the development of many new mathematical ideas and algorithm. Yes, this is very true. And the mathematician will have to develop ever more secure cryptographic schemes, and thus new developments from number theory and discrete mathematics, algebraic geometry, and dynamical systems, as well as other fields. Okay, so basically they are determining the use of mathematics in digital technology. So coming back to my favorite topic, that is mathematics, use of mathematics in army. Okay, so uh, you might be surprised, but it is reality. Mathematics is like used huge used by like mostly used in army. Like, yeah, this is used to secure us, okay. This is used as our defense for the security of our people, okay. Okay, now coming back, basically how we came to know that there is some incident related with USA Army when they conducted an analysis and from a mathematical team, and they like gave the report ki they can be used, mathematics can be useful for materials by design, optimization on microstructures, energy sources, okay, energy sources, compact power, energy efficiency, non-linear dynamics, and optimal control, security issues, needs in critical infrastructure, okay. So every infrastructure need mathematical, yeah, architect is all about mathematics, okay. huh. And mathematics for information communication, mathematics for sensors, that is information data mining and fusion. One thing you should note in between when I am like telling all this, ki it is all thing used mostly in like used more or less in like army, okay. Army means, by army I mean whole armed forces, all air force, navy, and army, okay. So mathematics for sensors, data mining and fusion, mobile communication as and network security and protection, demand in software reliability where mathematics is needed, okay, for computer language and architect, okay, where requirement for automated design making, probability, mathematics of sensing, pattern analysis, and many other things. Future system like lighter vehicles, smaller satellites, ICBM interceptor, hit before being hit, okay. Secured wireless communication system, hot communication, okay. Red, there is something called yeah hotline, yeah. In which like they talk, and power sources, modeling, and robotics and automation. There are many things which can like mathematics is like enhancing its use in the field of in this field, okay. So now coming back to statistics. So in the definition of statistics, it is all clear. 'Cause statistics is the mathematical science involving the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data. So I don't think there is need of some discussion over here. It's statistics is just a part of mathematics. Okay, actuarial science. Basically, there are actuarial science, astrostatistics, biostatistics. These are the new fields uh, which find use of mathematics. So astrostatistics deals with, it is a discipline that applies mathematical and statistical methods to assess risks in the insurance and finance industries. Okay, discipline that applies statistical analysis to the understanding of astronom astronomical data, that is astrostatistics, and the branch of biology that studies biological phenomena and observation by means of statistical analysis and includes medical statistics is biostatistics. Okay, basically it is the biostatistics is the branch of biology which like makes use of statistics, and which is basically a like part of mathematics. Okay, so coming here, environmental studies, so weather, climate, air, and water quality. So weather, climate, air quality, air purifier index, and water quality, and these are like all determined by the formulas. Okay, formulas are included as the studies of plants and animal population, and these are like all dependent upon mathematical formulas. Okay, geostatistics is also finding use in like mathematics. Coming here, again, mathematics in arts. So it's like very like known was like mathematics and arts are just two different languages that can be used to express the same ideas. It is considered that the universe is written in the language of mathematics, and its characters are triangles, circles, and other geometric figures. Uh, and the some like supporting statements are like old Gothic architect is based on geometry. Okay, even the Egyptian pyramids, like pyramid structure is like the greatest feat of human architect and engineering, like those like totally based on mathematics. On the other hand, like mathematics also interpret and analyze the art through the lens of geometry and rationality. Okay, and there are many uses in arts. So coming to mathematics in management. Okay, so in management, different mathematical models are being used to discuss management problems of hospitals. uh, huh, Sorry for the disturbance. Different mathematical models are being used to discuss management problems of the hospitals, public health, population, educational planning, and administration. Okay, and similar problems of social decisions. So this is how mathematics are used in mixed use in management. Mathematics in engineering and technology. So it has played an important role in the development of mechanical, civil, aeronautical, and chemical engineering, and many other more disciplines in the engineering technology. huh took and its contribution are like, if I like come and counting those contribution, I will like it may go more than 100 or 1000. Okay, so better to go to another topic, that is mathematics in psychology and archaeology. Okay, so psychology and archaeology. Okay, to in archaeology, to spot patterns. Okay, to spot patterns, we use mathematics to spot patterns of what the way the archaeological record changes over time. Okay, and geographically within a site and across the country. Archaeologists also use statistics to test the reliability of their interpretation. The same is used by the psychologist to like psychology is also like study. Okay, they study on the behavior of a person, and that makes some use of mathematics. Okay, coming ahead to social networks. So in social networks, it is like all about analysis used in analyzing data on a variety of social networks. Okay, so again, mathematics in political science. So political science, it's interesting. So we analyze past election results to see changes in Voting patterns will like exit poll, before poll, like we are like watching naki what are the expectations of this particular party of getting how many seats. Okay, so this is all about the calculation is going on by the media, and what are the exit poll results, which is like every time it is all about mathematics. Okay, so we analyze past election results to see changes in the voting patterns and the influence of various factors on voting behavior or switching of votes among political parties and mathematical model for conflict resolution. Here, here we make use of game theory. So let's get the game theories in use here. Now, mathematical linguistics. So in linguistics, development of machine language and comparison with natural and artificial language require a high degree of mathematical ability, and there are like many different uses also, like it's mathematics has had a great influence in research on literature. uh, Deciding whether a given poem or essay could have been written by a particular poet or author, we can compare all the characteristics of the given composition with the characteristics of the poet. Okay, so that's why there are some poems which have been given some different names. Like some poems are written in just one line with the with many commas, and like they have no particular, like they're not arranged in phrases or likewise. So there are different types of poems also, and we distinguish them on the basis of mathematical notes. Okay, so again, mathematics in music. So the rhythm that we find in all musical notes is a result of innumerable permutation and combination of saptaswar, saregama, tenisa. Okay, okay, and here golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers. You should know. They make use in this particular discipline, and most of the today's music is produced using synthesizers and digital processors to correct pitch or add effect to the sound. Okay, and these tools are created by audio software engineers. Okay, engineers are in use here, who work out with this is the way, this is why math is like being taught to them for a whole first year. Okay, who works out ways of manipulating and digital sound by using a mathematical technique, and that is called Fourier analysis. Okay, there they have discussed that this is Fourier analysis, which is being taught to them, so that they can be like considering for how to use uh, mathematics in music. So mathematics in economics, economics is all about mathematics. So the whole economic situation is regarded as a game between consumer distributors and the producers, each group is trying to optimize its profit. The subject tries to develop optimal strategies for each group and the equilibrium value of games. It's all about profit loss and all. Okay, who gets the maximum and minimum profit and all. Okay, and there are many mathematical terms in use there. Okay, again, mathematics in biological sciences, it's like a rich fertile field with open challenging and fascinating problem in the areas of mathematical genetics, mathematical ecology, mathematical neuron psychology, development of computer software for special biological and medical problems, mathematical theory of epidemics, use of mathematical programming, and relative reliability theory of biosciences and mathematical problems in biomechanics, bioengineering, and bioelectronics. Okay, so this is what we use. Biologic you This is what biological sciences like finds out the use of mathematics in their particular discipline. The mathematics is also having use in physical, mind it, this is physical oceanography. Okay, and mathematics also finds its use in chemistry, Even pharmaceutical companies require teams of mathematical mathematicians to work on clinical data about the effectiveness or dangers of new drugs. Now you know, okay, like our vaccines like Covaxin and Covid Shield, okay, they have been to there was three levels of trials, after which like they were given after which they were given emergency approval of use, okay. Somewhere like I guess Covaxin is still undergoing its trial, but and it has been given huh, emergency use, and indeed it showed a good positive result in its second trial, and I guess it will like show good results. And I guess by now they also have like shared third trial or third analysis with the government, and that's why that is a reason why many of us are like getting jabbed with Covaxin, okay. And Covid Shield is like internationally approved, okay. There has been some tensions or diplomatic ups and downs with the UK, because they were like not approving our Covid Shield. Indeed, they approved their Oxford's AstraZeneca, but being the same material, same thing, all about the difference is like who is producing. They were like uh, not not they were like arguing on the like on the on our like system of giving get on our vaccination drives, okay. So our government made some diplomatic talks with them and like showed the same, okay. And this is like Covid shield is also allowed, okay. So again, mathematics finds its use in physical sciences, okay. And so how which take the least time in going so how it makes its use in physical sciences. So basically in physical sciences we are more concerned about ki how some object take the least time in going from one point to another point, in which the object starts and reaches the destination with a zero velocity. Oh my god, okay. So still now this statement which I said just said is theoretical, but now what I will say, it will be more practical to you. So basically mathematics helps in like we may consider like helps in making energy optimal trajectories. Like we have also to consider the internal and eternal ballistic of rocket and the path of intercontinental ballistic missiles. So basically mathematics finds its use in making their energy optimal trajectories of these intercontinental ballistic missiles. So what trajectory they will follow, that is like determined by our mathematics. So mathematics in fluid dynamics. So, in fluid dynamics, many mathematicians and physicists applied the basic laws of Newton to obtain mathematical models for solid and fluids mechanics. Uh, and is also used to understanding. It is also like used in understanding volcanic eruptions and ocean currents. Okay, so it's it's like just in use, and there are many other uses of mathematics in fluid dynamics. And similarly the mathematics make use in computational fluid dynamics, and indeed there are many more disciplines which where mathematics finds the use, okay. And hope I should have like covered all of them, but there is some limitation of time also. So thank you for listening me. Thank you.